Jacob. And we zoom out with the lightsaber.
Wait, is this a video?
I'm totally videotaping you right now.
This would be a video, wouldn't it?
It
The
would
one
be.
time that I pick up the most ridiculous object in this fucking desert, out of all this natural beauty, I pick up this.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Dude, it's the dude. Look at it from my screen.
Look behind you too. Look at the contrast. Look at see. Look at behind you. You have the serenity of the desert. Hey guys.
Oh wow.
Get together over here. Sam. Samarama. Look at where the lights are.
Go over that.
Right there. Quickly. Get in there. Get in there. Wait, take the sword. What is going on?
I don't know.
I need the sword. Caliber.